Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites. You need an Outlook or Microsoft 365 account and calendar ownership. Once confirmed, decide the scope: view only, edit, or full delegate, because permissions determine what team members can do. Open Calendar in Outlook Desktop or Outlook on the web and select the calendar you want to share. Make sure to use the account that holds the calendar, otherwise sharing options won't appear. Now, proceed to add people or groups so the system can apply the selected permission level. Once you've opened Sharing, click Share Calendar, Web or Calendar Permissions, Desktop, and hit Add or Share. You'll pick individuals or a Microsoft 365 group. Using a group saves time for repeating changes. Select a permission level: can view when I'm busy, can view all details, can edit or delegate, because that controls calendar visibility and edit rights. Make sure to include a clear note if you want edits tracked. After assigning permissions, confirm and send the invite so recipients receive access immediately. To finish, verify recipients accepted the sharing invite and that the calendar appears in their calendar list. Sometimes they need to click Add or Open Shared Calendar. If changes are needed, return to Calendar Permissions to adjust levels or remove access. If someone can't see the calendar, clear cached credentials, have them sign out and in, and check your organization's sharing policies in Microsoft 365 Admin. These can block cross-tenant sharing. One key tip: test with one teammate first before rolling out to the whole team.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.